Imagine highly qualified leads arriving in your email inbox every single week. With Prospect AI, you can do exactly that. You can automate the search within your local area or even outside that local area, depending on the criteria you enter into the search tool. You can look up different things like their tech stack. You can look up if they have a website. What is their Google My Business ranking? What is their online reputation? Do they have any listings? What is their SEO like? And much more. You can then create a report and send it off to the prospect. And there we go. Maybe you are in the next sales conversation. Hey everyone, my name is Tina. Let me show you how you can set this up. So first, make sure you're logged into your agency account and click on prospecting on the left, and you already see 3 leads showing up on your dashboard if you are a brand new GohighLevel agency. If you are on the GohighLevel platform between 15 and 30 days and you haven't generated any leads, you will be able to see these leads showing up on your dashboard. This search is contextual to your agency. Prospecting AI uses your niche, your location, as well as your postcode to come up with these 3 leads. Also, each lead is eligible to generate a marketing audit report, which you can send off to the lead. To do that, just click Generate Report. You will then receive an email directly from the system where you can book a call with the HighLevel team for guidance, or you can click here to view all the leads inside of your account. After this, you want to go ahead and set up your prospecting AI tool that then runs on autopilot. To do this, first click on Prospect AI at the top and then create your own Prospect AI agent. Here you can add an agent name and its specialty. For example, we are going for chiropractor hunter, let's call it like that. And here you can give it a specialty, let's call it marketing expert. Here we want to select the niche, so we are going to target chiropractors, for example. You can also select several different niches. If you want to reach out to more people or more businesses, you can select up to 3 different niches. In case your niche is not mentioned right here, you can click the drop-down menu here and then look for your niche inside this drop-down menu. Here you can set the target location. The city is London, the area is Greater London and auto-populated. And then here we can add a zip code. Let's scroll further down. And here you want to allocate the leads to the particular agent, meaning you can set how many leads should this agent generate automatically every single month. If I was you, I would just go for the maximum. Then here you can set the lead generation schedule. Do you want it to email you or to run this task every week or every month? Of course, you want to go for every week. You want to stay on top of your game and generate as much leads as possible and reach out to the businesses. Remember, this sales is just a numbers game. The more people you pitch to, the more people you will close. Here you can select what day the agent should run. You can do it on a Sunday to set your week already. Email yourself this email with all the leads and then generate the reports and then reach out to the businesses on a Monday morning, for example. And here you have to select the prospect finding strength. Focused hunting means, for example, it prioritizes the quality of the leads, even if that means generating fewer overall leads, meaning the leads you're getting are higher converting. Next, we have wider hunting. It maximizes the total lead volume by targeting a wider pool of prospects, but that means the conversion rate will be lower. And then we have also custom, which means you can mix and match and choose your own balance between focused and wider hunting. So here you can then select the radius between 5 miles, 10, 15, 25, or the entire city. And then here you can also select by features. Only show the businesses without a website, the Google My Business rating below 3, for example, and the conversion rate, how much traffic do they actually get from Google over to their business is above 80. Here we can hit save and continue. And here you can set your audit preferences. Choose which audit you want your agent to run. Do you want it to run a business stack audit, which means check if the business details are complete and easy for customers to find? Do you want it to run a techno stack, which means the tool identifies which tools and technologies are driving or limiting marketing? Then number 3, the Google My Business, spot gaps in their Google listing that affects trust and visibility. Next up is the listings, find missing or inaccurate information across major directories. And then we also have online reputation, review how customers rate and talk about their brand online. Then you can also identify the website performance, see if the website is fast, mobile ready and conversion friendly, as well as you can analyze SEO, which means you understand how well they appear in search when people look. So let's hit save and continue. Next up is the lead enrichment. So when finding prospect, the agent looks automatically for contacts that can come across leads to do your business. Here you can choose how many points of contact you want the agent to find. Once done, hit Create Agent. Awesome, and here we have it. We have created our chiropractor hunter, which automatically sends us a report every single week based on the criteria we have entered. Next steps from here would then be you generate the marketing report for any leads that you may want to pursue. You then reach out using your preferred outreach channel. You can also send emails, SMS, or WhatsApp from HighLevel directly and keep track that way. Please note that only agency admins receive the list of leads via email. And that's it. This is how you can find leads really, really fast to build your business. I hope you like this feature, and be sure to check out all of our free snapshots. For example, the Review AI snapshot that you can then take, implement into your agency and sell it in combination with other marketing services. Check out the links in the description below, and I will see you over there.